All right, here's standing squats. We're going to show all kinds of different squats in this tutorial. So depending on where you are, pay attention and you'll find it in there. Here we go. Hold on to those dumbbells. Hip, knee, ankle lined up. We're starting with dumbbell squats. Shoulders back and down. Look straight, neck is straight. All the squats are done pretty much the same except hand placement, which I'm going to show you as we go down this tutorial. Now, you want your feet perfectly straight. So see this one? I'm very critical. I want them straight. You want to push with your heels. Stick your butt out all the way and keep that chest up. So come down with the chest up, right there, bam. Usually you don't want your butt to pass your knee. When that does, you put pressure on your knee. So watch, she's going to come down, boom, it lines up. You push with your heels straight up and squeeze that butt, hamstring, quads. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Keep your head up, look straight. When you look down, what happens is, for some reason, the chest starts going down. We don't want that. The minute your chest goes down, it's put pressure on your back. We never want pressure on the back. With squats, it's very important you keep the form. We want the form. If not, injury right away. So be careful. Also, look, her knee is not passing her foot. It's right before the foot. If you see the knee passing the foot, then you got to measure and go down slightly less. That means you have a tight lower back or you're not sticking out your butt enough. So be the judge of that. Now we're going to do squats, but with your hands straight. So same thing, hip, knee, ankle is lined up. You don't do it with the dumbbells. All I do is put your hands in front of you like that. Make sure your hands are lined up with your shoulder. So go ahead and show them a few of that. Same thing, you're going down and pushing up. You know what? Why don't we give them a side view? So go ahead, turn to the side, feet are straight, watch where her butt comes. Knee is here, bam, on the money. And she's pushing with her heels, her knees aren't passing her toes. Perfect, beautiful squat. Now I'm going to show you prison squats for those of you on that routine day. So turn, I want your hands by your neck and lace your fingers. Okay, keep your elbows out, don't bring them in, don't jerk your head downward. And we're hitting a squat. Go ahead and show them a few reps. Breathe in on the way down, go out on the way up. She's sticking out that butt all the way, keeping her chest up and her head up. Now I'm going to show you doing squats holding on to something. Just find anything, a pole. We have a bench here, so I'm really quickly going to show you a bench. So same thing, go ahead, you go to the bench. I'm going to bring this over here so you guys have a good angle. Get behind it, put your hands up on the bench, put your feet as far forward as you can to the bench. Now, chest up, same thing, she's looking straight. Go ahead, hit a squat, stick your butt out, breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. We're looking good.